Hello everyone and welcome in this tutorial on how to connect a dropshipper like Printify with your site creator WIX. So previously you need to have created an account on WIX and another account on Printify. So once you have your account, you need to go to on tab My Site like this and create a new site. Then Wix will ask you what kind of domain you want to create your site. So in this example, we will choose the online store. Then we click, and then Wix will ask us which kind of online stores you want to create. Exactly, you have two choices. If you want to let Wix ADI create a website for you, in this case, you have to respond some questions and then Wix will make all the work. Or you can create your website with the editor. And on the editor, you will choose a template. You will start with a template and make it your own with easy drag and drop, and you have the choice on more than 1000 design features. So in our case, we will choose the first option. So then I click start now, and Wix will ask you what kind of online store you want to create. So I will choose the basic option, online clothing store, but you have a large list of options. You can create a store for men, for women, for baby, maternity, vintage stores, etc. So I give you the liberty to choose what kind of solution you want to create. And then Wix will ask us if you want to add if you have other needs on our website, for example, an Instagram feed, a chat, a blog, etc. In my case, I will let those two options checked, Instagram feed and chat, and I will add a blog. But you have a large palette of choices, as you can see here. Uh, Orders, music if you want to sell music, videos if you want to sell videos, etc. So it's depend of what do you need. You select the options that you want. Then we click next, and then we will choose a name for our website. In my example, in this example, I will show you a store based on clothes about manga, about animes. So my for my website, I gave him a Japanese name. So it's Utasu Dan Shotsu, like this. Oh, no, Shotsu with U, not O. Then next. Then if you want to have more links on your website, a Google Map link or another kind of link, you will, but in my case, I don't have this. And then Wix give you the review of your information. So the address mail, the name of your site, and if you want to add other information, you can other. But in my case, no. Then you have to pick a theme you want. I think it's been good. It will be good this one. So sky height. Next. And then we will wait few minutes. Yeah, ready. Good. So Wix chooses three kinds of themes. If you want to use one of them, you just click on one of them. My example, I like black color, black background, so I will choose this one. And then you have to wait just few minutes, and congratulations, you have your website created on Wix, and not a simple website, it's a online store website. So you have this rubric, the welcome rubric, the first one. You can choose if you want to edit it, design, change the background, etc. The most important rubric in our case is this one, the online store rubric, and we will see how you can customize it. We have the story rubric, we have the Instagram feed rubric that you have chosen early, the contact us, and the blog rubric. So in our case, what we interest us is the online store rubric. As you can see now, it's it contains some false products. Those are the default products, but we don't need them. So we go back on Printify. Here is the store I have created earlier. But so I will not explain you in this video how to create a store on Printify, but it's very simple. So there is my store. As I said earlier, it's a store about selling clothes based on the manga universe. So I designed some t-shirts with a cover of the Dragon Ball anime. I think it's the 80s. What it was on the 80s in 1985. The manga cover, the Dragon Ball manga cover. So here we go. But on Printify you can choose a lot. You have a large palette of products you want to sell. There are accessories. You have women cloth, men kids cloth, men's cloth, etc. So once you have created your store on Printify, you have to go on settings. Yes, on the settings, you have to go to the store detail. So it's the last tab, and then you have to connect your store. Then Printify will ask you which technology you want to connect with. In our case, is the WIX choice. So we choose to connect to the WIX, and then you choose your site, which site you want to connect with. Be careful, you have to your site had to contain the store online element. Then you give the permissions on the to Printify, and then you select your name, you valid, and congratulations, the store was connected successfully with Wix. After that, you need to make we need to remove those false products on Wix because we don't need them and they are the default products. So we go on the store app and we select on all the products and delete them like this. Voila. And so now all our products were deleted, the false products were deleted on the store. And what we need to do now, the last thing, is to publish our store directly on the previously connected Wix website. So you click on publish, you wait few minutes or few seconds, and you just need to go back on Wix and verify that your products are now available. So I reload. Suspense. Ah, there is my product. So I can click on it and I will show you the details of these products, how we can see it on Wix. So there is all my products I have created on Printify and the several colors. So Wix show you the front view of your product first, and then it shows the back view. and you have all the palette of your colors you choose: white, green, black, red, etc. And you can choose your colors directly on the input list like this. And then voila. I hope this tutorial helped you on your business. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you want to see more videos about these subjects or others. And I say you goodbye. Bye bye.